to make my flourless quiche. First thing is to preheat the oven to 180 degrees C. Here's my muffin case. I'm going to use 1 egg for 1 muffin. You can experiment with the flavours. I've chosen 1 slice of ham, 2 small bits of broccoli and 3 tablespoons of cheese for my quiche muffin. Be careful, as they are sharp. I have got my scissors ready to cut up my broccoli into as small pieces as you can make it. I'm going to put it into my cup. It might be quite tricky, so you might need a grown-up helper to help you with this. I've got my scissors again. I'm going to cut up my ham. Let's fold it into half, fold it into quarters will be easier, and then I'm going to cut it as small as I can. Let's get going. I'm keeping my fingers well away. This is much easier to do. It's important that none of the eggshell goes into the mixture, so I tend to do it like this. It into this cup. I'm going to whisk it up, and then I'll add it to my mixture. As you can see here, I've added it to my mixture. Let's mix this up. I'm going to put a lot of cheese in, 3 tablespoons, as I like cheese. 1, 2, 3, and mix it up. I can't cook it like this, so I'm going to go and get something quickly. Got my muffin tray. Now I'm going to put it into one of these muffins. You can grease it if you like, but I don't bother. This will make a very full muffin. I like my muffins to be very full and cheesy. Oh yeah, I'm going to put my muffin tray in the oven for 20 minutes. I've got this tray out of the oven and cooled it down for 5 minutes. And now you're going to run a knife around the edge. And then pick it up carefully, as it might be still hot. Then put it on your plate. And you might like some other things to go with it, so I'm going to have a look in my fridge and see what I've got. Hi, I have added some cucumber, a carrot and some lettuce to make a face out of my quiche. I found in my pocket some vegan cacao powder. Let's see what I make with this for my next video.